Hi, I'm Shelby Odell, and I am doing homework assignment for Disposition to Teach. It's a two-part assignment. The first part was a self-assessment survey, which I've already done, and the second part is a video submission that you answer questions for, and that's what I'm doing. And the first question is, what dispositions do you possess that will make you a successful teacher? And for this, I believe I possess all the necessary qualities to become a great teacher, because I think that all students can learn if they have the right tools, and the educators should be aware that not all students are the same, and that we sometimes have to make compromises for that because not all students learn the same, and not all students are the same socially, mentally, or culturally. So we have to be aware of that difference and be able to come up with different lesson plans if need be, or different strategies to help those students, because we want all students to be successful. I believe educators should have a strong sense of judgment and strong morals, which I do, that teachers should be able to promote and inspire creative learning and bring creative learning into their classrooms to make sure their students are wanting to come and to learn and they're successful in their learning because they love coming to your class. I think that teachers should be a place of support where they are there if a student needs someone to talk to, or if they're having an issue, that you are someone that they think of that they can go to. I think that educators learn by experience, and that they should be committed to continuous learning and teaching, because this job is going to be somewhere where you're always learning and you're always teaching, and this is something that you need to be open to, because you have to be a lifelong learner to be a teacher, and that's something that I know that I will love because I love learning. So, and second question is, what dispositions do you need to work on before you enter the classroom as a first-year teacher? The disposition I need to work on is being more involved and out in my community. I'm not out as much as I would like right now, just because of school, and I have 3 boys and a job, so I would like to be more of an active member of the community for myself and for my future students, so I can show them pride, how prideful, like I'm proud of how proud I am of my community, that it's important to participate and help others and to be involved and show that you're out in the community as a teacher as well. And for the third question, it asks, what does a professional educator look like and how do they behave? What standards guide their thinking and actions? And I believe that an educator should always look professional in the way they behave and look. And this is just dressed appropriately, not looked thrown together, I suppose. Teachers should always be making good decisions. I always believe that actions are louder than words, and that we need to show that we are making good decisions, and be out in our community when we are out in our community, that they can see that we are a good role model. And I think that we have a set of standards in our classroom. We have rules and expectations in the classroom about how our students act and what's appropriate, and I believe that this should apply to teachers as well, because we want them to know that rules are for everyone and not just them, so they need to see that teachers are making good decisions and acting as role models outside the classroom. Because if we run into them at a grocery store or at a park, that they need to see that we're still their teacher and we still make good decisions, and that it's important that they see that we're not running amok, I suppose. And that is all 3 questions. Thank you for the lessons, and I hope you have a good winter.